Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get horse brush or brush your horse in Red Dead Redemption 2. It's pretty easy. First of all, if you wanna get the horse brush, then in that case you need to progress a bit. If you are like very in the beginning of the game, you have to progress a bit and then you're gonna get the horse brush. Now once you have the horse brush, how you can brush your horse? So for that, firstly, if you're playing the game on PC, in that case you need to go to your horse, then hold tab. While holding it, you need to change the weapons or items. So for that, hit R while holding tab as well. Then you're gonna see this is the brush. If I click on that, the player will start brushing the horse, and that's pretty much of it. Now let's say if you're playing the game on controller, then in that case just hold LB or L1 and you're gonna see the same scroll wheel. Here we need to use RB key or R1 key to switch the items. Now here by using the right stick we need to choose brush, and yeah, there you go, the player will start brushing the horse again. And that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you'll able to brush your horse in Red Dead Redemption 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.